Good morning, everyone. Today we are pleased to do presentation under the topic our dream house. We are from the primary CC and here are our members. I'm Chanda and this is So Liang, Visa, Ratana and Lily. There are three ideas we plan to make our dream house. First, the location. Second, the design. Third, the rooms. Finally, conclusion. So now let's move to the first point. So Liang will tell you.
The first point is the location. We want our house near a beach because we can see the sunrise and we can swim in the sea and play on the beach too. Now let's go to the second point. Visa will tell you.
Second is design. Our house must have big windows because big windows let in a lot of sunlight and air and make us feel warm and happy. Now let's move to the third point. Ratana will tell you.
Finally, in the room, our house has a lot of rooms such as a chicken room, living room, a dinner room, 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. So now let's move to conclusion. Lily will tell you.
So there are three ideas we plan to make our dream house. They are first the location, second the design, and third the room.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Goodbye.